breath, big smile. It's been a while since I've been in a crowd like this. Stay off the wall, don't think, just talk. Pray no one says a name I miss. I'm drunk here in the bathroom light. I'm checking my phone just one more time, in case you hit it with an goodbye. And I fix myself up in the mirror and walk out with this beer. Even though they see me here, I'm not at this party. I'm back in your backseat. You're pulling it over. It's just that you have me. I can't hear this music, 'cause I'm hearing you yell. You're so in love with me, but right now you need to work on yourself. And they think I'm all done with my life, that I'm having a good night out here on the stage floor, just like everybody. But nobody here knows just how bad you got me. I'm not at this party. I'm good, I'm great. Don't say your name, just talk about the weather instead. Just stay, don't leave, so that you can't see what's steaming up the glass in my head. I'm not at this party. I'm back in your backseat. You're pulling it over. It's just that you have me. I can't hear this music, 'cause I'm hearing you yell. You're so in love with me, but right now you need to work on yourself. And they think I'm all done with my life, that I'm having a good night out here on the stage floor, just like everybody. But nobody here knows just how bad you got me. I'm not at this party. I'm back here in the bathroom light. I'm checking my phone just one more time, in case you hit me with an goodbye. I know you won't, but I'll fix myself up in the mirror and walk out with this beer. Even though they see me here, I'm not at this party. I'm back in your backseat. You're pulling it over. It's just that you have me. I can't hear this music, 'cause I'm hearing you yell. You're so in love with me, but right now you need to work on yourself. And they think I'm all done with my life, that I'm having a good night out here on the stage floor, just like everybody. But nobody here knows just how bad you got me. I'm not at this party. I'm not at this party.
Let's learn Not at This Party. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, easy intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Not at This Party. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot to the right side. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're going to do a quarter sail or step, crossing your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, then step forward with your left. We're now going to step forward with our right, and you can do a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your stomp to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. We're going to hold, and then we're going to do a ball side, stepping your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to cross our left over our right, step back with your right, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. When you finish the step to the side, you want your hips slightly open to the right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our half back, so you're making that quarter turn, stepping to the side. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to shuffle back with our right, stepping right, back, left together, right, back. We're now going to do a half shuffle over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and we're going to do a kickball step, kicking your right foot forward, step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your shuffle back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do right and left heel grinds. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward with your toes slightly pointed to the left, putting your weight onto your heel, rotate your toes to the right and recover onto your left, step your right next to your left. You're now going to place your left heel forward with your toes pointed to the right, putting your weight onto your left heel, rotate your toes to the left and recover onto your right, then step your left next to your right. We're now going to cross our right over our left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step out, out, in, cross, stepping your right foot out to the right side, step your left foot out to the left side, step your right foot in center, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel grind. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, doing your stomp to the right. So it's stomp, behind side cross, side quarter sailor, step forward, half quarter side, hold ball side, cross, back, side, cross, side, shuffle back, half shuffle, half pivot, kickball step. Now your heel grind, and heel grind, and cross quarter, back, out, out, ball, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stomping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Now, let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen one time and one time only. It will be the end of wall 4. So we'll be finishing our side wall, bringing us to 12 o'clock, where you're going to add on the tag. After the tag, you will start the dance over again for wall 5, facing 12 o'clock. The tag is 16 counts. Section 1 of the tag, we're going to repeat what we do on one foot with the other. So you're going to do heel switches, bringing your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right. You're now going to place your right heel forward, hook your right heel up to your left shin, place your right heel forward and step your right next to your left. We're now going to repeat that with our left. So you're going to put your left heel forward, quickly step it next to your right, place your right heel forward, quickly step it next to your left. Put your left heel forward, hook your left heel up to your right shin, place your left heel forward, and then quickly step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 2, we're going to do a right rocking chair. Rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. Rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. And now we're going to do a jazz box cross, crossing your right over your left. Step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. And that is the end of the tag. So let's try that with some counts, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole tag. So now let's do the tag one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heels. Heel step, heel hook, heel step, heel step, heel step, heel hook, heel step. A rocking chair, jazz box with a cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here, you'll then start wall 5 by doing your stomp, behind side cross, side quarter sailor step, and you'll dance through to the end of the song. You don't have to worry about it ending. The dance ends facing 12 o'clock on your out, out, in, cross. I just like kind of doing a step to the side and a little bit of a pose, but you can just end the dance there. You don't have to worry about changing walls. So now let's go around. We're gonna dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your stomp to the right. So it's stomp, behind side cross, side quarter sailor step, forward half quarter side, hold ball side, cross, back, side, cross, side, shuffle back, half shuffle, half pivot, kickball change, heel grind step, cross quarter, back, out, out, ball, cross, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, it's stomp, behind side cross, side quarter sailor step, forward half quarter side, hold ball side, cross, back, side, cross, side, shuffle back, half shuffle, half pivot, kickball step, heel grind, and cross quarter back, out, out, ball, cross, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, do your tag, heel step, heel step, heel hook, heel step, heel step, heel step, heel hook, heel step, rocking chair, jazz box with a cross, start over, side, behind side cross, side quarter sailor step, forward half quarter side, hold ball side, cross, back, side, cross, side, shuffle back, half shuffle, half pivot, kickball step, heel grind, and your cross quarter back, out, out, ball, cross. And then you'll dance to the end of the song. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Not at This Party. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Deep breath, big smile. It's been a while since I've been in a crowd like this. Stay off the wall, don't think, just talk. Pray no one says